Your money is losing value right now. Every single second you're watching this video, you're getting poorer. August 2025. Inflation just hit 2.9%, the highest rate all year. Your rent, up 3.6%. Your groceries, up 3%. And if you're doing what most people do, keeping money in a regular savings account, you're literally watching it evaporate. But here's the thing nobody tells you. There's a completely free move you can make in the next 2 minutes that instantly protects your savings. I'll show you exactly what it is in this video. But first, you need to understand the 3 places inflation is secretly destroying your wealth, because one of them isn't what you think. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete battle plan that experts are using right now to not just survive, but actually profit from inflation. So if you're tired of feeling broke, hit subscribe because we're about to flip the script on inflation. All right, let's talk about the 3 ways inflation is pickpocketing you right now. And I guarantee the third one will surprise you. Number 1, your grocery bill. Food prices jumped 3% in 2025. That's beef, dairy, vegetables, everything. What cost you $200 last year? Now it's $206. Doesn't sound like much, right? Wrong. That's $312 per year just on groceries. And if you're eating out, even worse. Number 2, housing. This is the big one. Shelter costs surged 3.6%. And this is the single biggest driver of inflation right now. If you're paying $1,500 a month in rent, that's an extra $54 per month, or $648 per year, just evaporated. But here's the stealth killer nobody talks about, your savings account itself. Wait, what? Yes, if you're keeping emergency funds in a regular savings account, earning 0.1% interest, while inflation runs at 2.9%, you're losing 2.8% of your purchasing power every single year. That $10,000 emergency fund, functionally worth $9,720 by next year. Your bank is literally charging you to keep money safe. Now, remember that 2-minute fix I mentioned? It solves this third problem instantly. But first, you need to understand why this is all happening, because that's where the real opportunities hide. Let's break it down. So what's actually causing all this? It's not one thing. It's 4 dominoes falling in sequence, and they're all hitting your wallet at once. Domino 1. Supply chains are still broken. Ships, trucks, warehouses. Nothing's moving smoothly. Products get stuck, supply drops, prices spike. Domino 2. The housing crisis. Not enough homes, too many buyers. Basic economics, limited supply plus high demand equals you paying way more rent. Domino 3. Labor costs. Companies are paying workers more, which sounds great. But here's the catch. Drop a $sign in the comments if your wages actually went up 3% or more this year, because if they didn't, you're falling behind. Anyway, those higher wages, companies pass them straight to you through higher prices. And Domino 4. Global commodity chaos. Oil, wheat, natural gas. When prices jump overseas, you feel it here. Your gas tank, your grocery bill, your heating bill. All 4 dominoes pushing at once. And here's who gets crushed hardest. Lower-income families spending 80% of their paycheck on essentials. A 3% increase isn't an inconvenience. It's a crisis. All right, remember that 2-minute fix? We're almost there. But first, let me show you exactly where your money is disappearing. Because if you don't plug these leaks, no strategy will help. All right, here it is. The move that protects your savings instantly. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account. That's it. Right now, you can find accounts paying 4% to 5% interest, sometimes more. If you have $5,000 sitting in a regular account earning 0.1%, you're making $5 a year. Move it to a 4.5% account, you're making $225 per year. That's real money fighting back against inflation. 2 minutes. That's all it takes. Pause this video right now if you want. Go move your money. I'll be here when you get back. Quick question while we're here. Where's your emergency fund right now? Drop a comment. Regular savings? Drop a yes, high-yield account. Drop, I got it. What emergency fund? Drop a damn no judgment. We're all figuring this out together. Now here's the trap most people miss. Interest rates. When inflation rises, the Federal Reserve raises interest rates to fight it. And that means your credit card rates and variable loans just got more expensive. Credit card balance of $5,000 at 16% APR. You're paying $800 per year in interest. That same card at 20%? Now it's $1,000 per year. That's an extra $200 just vanishing. This is why paying down high-interest debt right now is non-negotiable. Every month you wait costs you more. But, plot twist, if you have a fixed-rate mortgage locked in at 3% or 4%, don't rush to pay that off. Inflation is actually eroding what you owe in real terms. Focus on the credit cards and variable rate stuff first. All right, we've covered the quick win. Now let's build out your complete defense system. These are the strategies experts are using right now. Not theory, actual tactics. First up, the 70-20-10 budgeting rule. Here's how it works. 70% goes to necessities, rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, the stuff you must pay. 20% goes to savings and investments. This is non-negotiable. You're building wealth. 10% goes to debt payoff or giving. This structure keeps you lean, keeps you saving, and keeps you attacking debt. Why does this work during inflation? Because it forces you to cut the fat from necessities and prioritize what actually builds wealth. Next, review your budget monthly. Not yearly, monthly. Prices change fast right now, so your budget needs to adapt fast. And get aggressive with reward stacking. Grocery store loyalty program, plus credit card points, plus manufacturer coupons? Stack them all. I've seen people save $50 to $100 per month just by being strategic about where and how they shop. It's boring, it's tedious, but it's money in your pocket. Now let's talk about actually beating inflation, not just surviving it. You need assets that grow faster than 2.9%. That means diversified stocks through index funds. Historically returns 8 to 10% annually. Real estate or REITs if you're not ready to buy property. Treasury inflation-protected securities or TIPS, which are literally government bonds designed to beat inflation. And max out your 401k or IRA contributions. Tax benefits plus growth, that's a double win. For debt, you've got two proven methods. Debt snowball, pay off smallest debts first. Psychological wins keep you motivated. Debt avalanche, attack highest interest rates first. Saves you the most money mathematically. Pick one. Stick with it. The worst strategy is no strategy. 3 fatal mistakes. Ignoring high-interest debt while rates rise, setting a budget and never adjusting it. Going back to old spending habits when things feel better. Don't be these people. All right, let's bring this home. Inflation in 2025 is real. That 2.9% rate, the 3.6% jump in housing costs, the 3% increase in food prices. These aren't just statistics. They're affecting your daily life and your financial future. But here's the truth. You have way more control than you think. By understanding what's happening, adopting smart budgeting strategies like the 70-20-10 rule, moving your savings to high-yield accounts, investing in inflation-protected assets, and aggressively tackling high-interest debt, you cannot just survive this. You can actually come out ahead. Now I want to hear from you. Which strategy are you going to implement first? Drop your plan in the comments below. And if this video helped you understand inflation and gave you actionable steps to protect your money, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out money-saving content every week, and I don't want you to miss it. Thanks for watching.